आर्टिकल 175 सब क्लॉज 5 क्या है। उसमें लिखा हुआ है कि जी फॉर द अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ द जजेस ऑफ हाई कोर्ट द कमीशन इन क्लॉज shall also include the following, namely Chief Justice of the High Court to which the appointment is being made, मतलब वो चीफ जस्टिस मौजूद होना चाहिए जिसकी अपॉइंटमेंट हो रही है। हेड ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बेंच ऑफ दैट हाई कोर्ट, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बेंच का हेड होना चाहिए हाई कोर्ट का। उसके अलावा जो है प्रोविंशियल मिनिस्टर ऑफ लॉ, किसी भी सूबे का जो प्रोविंशियल मिनिस्टर है वो मौजूद होना चाहिए। एडवोकेट हैविंग नॉट लेस देन 15 years practice in the High Court to be nominated by the concerned bar counsel for a term of 2 years। इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन है, if head of constitutional bench of the High Court is the Chief Justice of that High Court, the judge who is next in the seniority shall become member of the commission, provided that for the appointment of the Chief Justice of a High Court, the judge mentioned in paragraph 2 जो head of constitutional bench है, if he is the senior judge of a high court shall not be the member of the commission, provided further that if any reason the chief justice of the high court is not available, he shall be substituted by a former chief justice or former judge of that court to be nominated by the commission, provided also that the amendments in the paragraph 2 and the first provisions shall take effect on the coming into force of article 202A for the respective high court।